Risk disclaimer. Hello, my friend. What's going on? This is Emmanuel Adegbola, aka the Forex Apostle, coming to you from Dallas, Texas. And in this video, I'm going to be doing analysis on GBPJPY currency pairs. You know, if you notice very well, for a while now, actually more than 2 months, GBPJPY has been, up, has been uptrend. So what is it? What is going on with it right now? What are the trades potential with GBPJPY? That is what we are going to be looking into in this video. However, if you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, come on now, what are you waiting for? Do us some favor, okay? Smash on that subscribe button, subscribe, and smash on that bell button so that you will be notified when next we upload new video. Right on this channel, we share information about Forex, about stocks, about cryptocurrencies, and as you know, I'm a minister of the gospel, so you get a little bit of spirituality and personal development, leadership training right on this channel. So it's a combo package. You just pick the one that suits you, right? So I'm going to give you 5 seconds to do that, then we'll continue with this video in a second. All right, and welcome back. This is GBPJPY on daily chart. I mean, can you just imagine if you have maybe you are in this trade from that was from December 24, 2020, and you rolled it up to this point where we'll be looking into 1,323 pips. 1,323 pips on GBPJPY, okay? And when you look also, you will discover that the uptrend, okay, still continues a little bit right there. This is another up movement right there, another 462 pips. So when you add 462 with 1,000, we are looking to almost 2,000 pips. Now, let's assume you have not, you didn't trade any of these opportunities. So now, what can you do with GBPJPY? Let's. I'm going to change from Tradermatic templates to regular, so that we can see. We look into what. Okay, let's even look into weekly first on Tradermatic. Let's see what is going on here. Take a look at this. Take a look at this. This is right from this moment. Take a look at GBPJPY. Wow! If you take a look at this is 2007. 2007. Now take a look at this trend right there. Wow! That is a big. Take a look at this from this 2007 right there. You take a look right there. Then we see another touch right there. Then we see another touch right there. So what do you think will happen to this trade? I mean, what do you think this pair right now? Looking at the long term, okay, trend. This is weekly. This is weekly chart. So we went up, touched this point, okay, that was July 22, 2007. Then also right here we touch right there, that was July. History repeat itself also. July, okay, 12, 2015. This is July. So when you look into that, this is how many years after? 2007 to 2015, that is 8 years after. Now, come to this place again, and they see where we are. Okay, this is where we are. Let me delete this one. So this is where we are right now. Okay, we are in May. I will not be surprised if for the next 2 months the peers keep going up, keep going up, keep going up, because one way or the other, history has to repeat itself again. 2015 to 2021. That will be how many years like that? 6 years, right? Anyway, let's leave that. And let's now look at the bigger picture. So you see it right there. This is what we have right now. This is what we have right now. Let me zoom it. So we have it almost getting to that point. Now, for you to see it more clearly, let me change this template to, let me change it to regular. Let me change it to Forexmatic, actually. Forexmatic. Okay. So now you have this. Let's go back and zoom out. Take a look. Take a look right there. So you have it right there. Finish, touch it. Finish, touch it. Then right there. So when you look at this trade very well, you will agree with me that we run, let me zoom it out later so you see clearly. Okay, so now when you look, we see why we have right there, we have right there, then we have it right there. So what are you expecting? We go up, we come down, we go up. What are we expecting? To come back down. That's what I will be expecting for GBPJPY. But now, when is that going to happen? Nobody can say precisely. But any moment from now, I'm expecting downward movement for GBPJPY. So how am I going to trade this? Let's zoom it out a little bit and see. Take a look at where we are. Okay, this is Forex is not gambling, guys. You just have to do your analysis and see where we are. So you can see right there where we are, right there. So now if I'm going to be trading this as a pullback, okay, with what I taught my students last week, pullback strategy. There are two things that this pair can do. If you break out above this trend line, okay, you have to watch out. Don't enter, buy, don't go long, because it could be fake out. Because I mean, look at that trend, long time since 2007. So it could be a fake out. So if it breaks out, it can come back to retest, and don't be surprised, we will have this. Okay, that would be what I would be expecting. Okay, it will not go like straight like that. It could come like this, retest, okay, then retest, then come back, retest, come back, retest, like that, keep going. So this is what I would be expecting GBPJPY to do, and this would be where I would be expecting us to have resistance to the downward movement. So let's come back here. So when you look at it like this, okay, here is it on weekly. So if I'm trading this on weekly, this is what I will do. I will just, put a pending order. Okay, this is not a trade signal, but do your own analysis very well. So I will put a sell stop order right there, and I will put my stop loss will be somewhere right there. So remember, this is a long term, this is a weekly, so you'll be risking around 338 pips, around 338 pips if you want to do one-to-one. So this will be my take profit one. So for the rest of this year, this is what I will be expecting GBPJPY to do. This will be take profit one, this will be take profit two, this will be take profit three. So if you look at that very well, because if we've gone up like this since December, come on now, we could spend the rest of this year, coming back down to actually, try this support, this Fibonacci level here, this 38.2. So this is what I will be expecting, okay, based on my analysis of GBPJPY. So let me switch over to daily chart. Let's see what is happening on daily. The same thing also right there, as you can see. So on daily, you can see right there, even easy trend has already turned red. So going shorts, definitely. This will be my take profit 1 on daily. This will be my take profit 2, and this will be my take profit 3 right there on daily. Now let's switch back to Tradermatic and then show you what I could see right there. Tradermatic. So now on daily with Tradermatic, this is it here. It's very easy on Tradermatic because you don't need to crack your brain also. So on daily, so my take profit 1 will be this Fibo level 76.4. My take profit 2 will be 61.8, and of course this will be my take profit 3. This is a long-term trade, guys. So if you enter this trade to trade the downward movement of GBPJPY, as I said, it will happen now. It will still go a little bit up and resume that downward movement by, let's say, July, or it will even start now. But if you look at 2007, we touched the high by, July. Then when you look into 2015, July. So this year, I'm looking at, we'll get to the top by July and start that downward movement. But it could happen before then. Remember, nobody can tell the market what to do. The market will only tell us what to do, and we follow what the market does. So this is what I'm saying on GBPJPY, and of course, if you are wondering, so what is this tool? I'm using Tradermatic, and you can get your own copy by going to www.tradermatic.net. You'll be able to get yourself a copy. Forex is not gambling. Once you do your analysis, you know what you are doing, then you will be able to profit with it. It's not gambling at all. You do your analysis. Once you do your analysis, you know what you are doing. And of course, if you need a mentor, I'm here to help you. I've burnt accounts that you are not supposed to burn. I've risked most of the things you don't need to risk, and you don't need to reinvent the wheel. So if you think, I can be your mentor, all you have to do also is connect with me. Visit www.theforexapostlementoring.com, and let's see if we can work together. God bless you. And once again, if you have not subscribed to this channel, make sure you smash on that subscribe button and smash on that bell button so that you will be notified when next we upload new video. God bless you, and I will see you in that new video. Be strong, be bold, and be courageous.
Are you ready to change your career, or are you looking to make extra income outside what you are currently making? Do you belong to one of these groups? 1. You've been hearing about cryptocurrencies or blockchain technology, but you don't have a clue how to get started. 2. You've been hearing about Forex trading, but you have no clue how to make money with it. 3. You have lost your hard-earned money into crypto sharks or Forex sharks. 4. You are sick and tired of your job and you want your freedom? The Forex Apostle Mentoring Program is the global leader in Forex, stocks, and crypto education. As a disciple of the Forex Apostle, you gain skills that you need to succeed in this new economy. Get more than just extra income. Start living life on your term and at your own design. Join the community of like-minded people working towards the same goal as you. Become a Forex disciple today. Visit www.theforexapostlementoring.com to join us.